Yo. Pohnpei! This one's for the people. For every worker, every taxpayer, every family struggling to survive. To the senators sitting inside that legislature. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing, senators? You were elected to represent us. Now you're sitting up there playing with our trust, playing with our money like it belongs to you. Get the fuck out if you don't represent us. Get the fuck out if you don't respect us. People need leaders who will fight for the people, not politicians living for themselves. Vote them out, vote them out. Pohnpei people, let your voices shout. Vote them out, vote them out. If they don't serve the people, show them the way out. I wake up every morning, gotta work for my pay. Tax taken from my check every single payday. Mama working hard, Papa working too. Everybody sacrificing just to make it through. Then we hear about money 171K. Emergency charter, now the people wanna say, wait a minute, hold up, tell us what happened. Where did the money go? Who made that decision? Our sick people waiting, trying to get overseas. Families begging for help, down on their knees. Some don't have money, some don't have a choice. So I'm standing here today giving people a voice. What the fuck are you doing, senators? You were elected to represent us. Now you're sitting up there playing with our trust, playing with our money like it belongs to you. Get the fuck out if you don't represent us. Get the fuck out if you don't respect us. People need leaders who will fight for the people, not politicians living for themselves. Vote them out, vote them out. Pohnpei people, let your voices shout. Vote them out, vote them out. If they don't serve the people, show them the way out. You sit in the chamber with the power in your hand, but remember, the people made the stand. We put you there, we gave you the seat. So don't forget the people living in the streets. We need roads, we need schools, we need jobs, we need tools, we need hospitals stronger, we need leaders wise to develop Pohnpei. Build the economy, stop wasting time on political hypocrisy. Don't use public money for personal pleasure. Every dollar needs accountability and measure. You call it legislation, we call it your decision. So explain to the people, where's the transparency? Who owns the money? The people. Who pays the taxes? The people. Who elected you? The people. Who can remove you? The people. To remember your position. You work for us. Not the other way around. You work for us. Not the other way around. You work for us. Yeah. Don't tell me politics. Show me what you built. Don't tell me promises, show me results. Don't tell the people that there's nothing you can do, because when election time comes, we're gonna remember you. You had your chance, you had your seat, you had the people's trust underneath your feet. But if you forget the people and represent yourself, back your office. Get the fuck out. Because Pohnpei deserves better. Pohnpei deserves better. Because Pohnpei deserves better. Because Pohnpei deserves better. What the fuck are you doing? Senators, who do you represent? The people. Whose money is it? The people. Who has the power? The people. What do we want? Change. When do we want it? Election day. Vote them out. Vote them out. Vote them out. If they don't represent us. Vote them out. If they don't represent us. If they don't represent us. Vote them out. If they don't respect us.
Vote them out,
If they forget who put them there.
vote them out.
Pohnpei, 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 Pohnpei. This is not about hate. This is about accountability. This is about the people's money. This is about the people's voice. You work for the people. Never forget that.
Pohnpei.
The people are watching.